This question tells us that this is the incorrect product for this reaction and asks us to identify why it's the incorrect product, what the correct product is, and how we can avoid this mistake in the future. All of that can be answered by numbering the carbon atoms in this product. Numbering the select carbons, I've got 4 carbons that I've numbered here in the starting material, and I've got 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 that I've numbered in this reagent. And when I look at my product, carbon 5 is missing. I should be forming a new bond between carbon 4 and carbon 5. However, when I look at the product, there's only a bond between carbon 4 and carbon 6. Carbon 4 should attack carbon 5, opening up the epoxide, leaving the alcohol on carbon number 6, but carbon number 5 is missing from our product. The correct product then would be this same molecule, but with that carbon in place. So here would be carbon 1, carbon 2, then we'd have carbon 3 with the triple bond to carbon 4, and that's going to form a bond to carbon 5. And from here we would have carbon 6 with the alcohol, and then 7, 8, and 9, and then the cyclopentyl group. This is the correct product for this reaction. How can we avoid this in the future? Number your carbons. Please number your carbons. It takes a half a second, 5 seconds to number your carbons and saves you so many points on exams. Always number your carbons. Carbon 4 is forming a new bond with carbon 5. Carbon 4 doesn't become carbon 5. There's a new bond formed between carbon 4 and carbon 5. Please number your carbons and avoid mistakes like this in the future.